Real cute, real simple, giving you very much Mickey Mouse. Bomb Mickey Mouse, right? But Mickey Mouse, I love the style. It's so cute to me. Ooh, ooh, I got a ponytail. Ooh, I got a ponytail. And now I got this. This reminds me of Spy Kids when that girl hair was swinging. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaden, aka Baby J. For those who are new here, and if you ain't new, you already know the deal. I'm back with another video. Today I will be doing over 10 different hairstyles that you can do with long twists or braids, and sometimes even medium length to short twist or braids. So if you want to learn more about these cute little trendy hairstyles, then keep watching. We're gonna get right into it. But before we do, make sure you give this video a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button because it helps your girl out. So make sure you help your girl out. All right, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first one, you can do different hairstyles with just having a side part. You have the regular side part that's not extra. Then you can have the extra out side part, right? All right, I love the extra side part. This is my go-to. And then you can switch it, whatever is your best side, you know. My best side is the other side. I never wear my part on this side. Then you can go down in the middle. I never wear it in the middle with these twists. It show how big my forehead is, and y'all don't need to know that. Y'all don't need to know how big my forehead really is. You know what I'm saying? Like a little bit of mystery. Get a couple of twists or braids in the front and bring them back. So, and then from here you can just tie it in the back. And boom, you got a cute, no scrunchie, no headband, no head tie, little hairstyle. You can also do the same thing with a scrunchie or head tie. Then you can do the same thing like the side part. Do the same thing, just tie it in the back, twist it over, boom. Adjust it to how you want it to be, and you're good. Next after that, we got the half up, half down. So you got the half up, half down where you just have the hair that's like around the crown of your head. Put it in the scrunchie or the hair tie, whatever you decide to use. I use both just to give it a little bit of volume. At the top, I know I got black on, so it's kind of blended with my hair. So you got a simple little cute half up, half down. You can adjust it however you want it to be. Real 90s vibes, real cute, giving you 90s vibes. And so then from here, if you want it all up, you could just add the two sides. It's the same style, but it's different. Okay, but what I really like to do with this hairstyle is bring out these two little hairs, and boom, this is my go-to. I love this little cute hairstyle. You got the baby hairs, you know, in the back, just chilling. Okay, so after this one, we got the bun, half up, half down, and I'm just leave the little two out. You can, the little two twist out. You can put them up, keep them out, whatever you want to do. Boom. So you twist it, get you a little hair tie, and just put it over that joint. And it don't have to be all extra neat. You know, if that's your style, that's cute. If it's not your style, do it how your style is. You know what I'm saying? Real cute. It look heavy, but it's not. And it's up there. It's this baby. Ooh, add you a little accent. Cute. You'll be outside cute. They be like, oh girl, your hair is cute. You're gonna be like, thank you. Baby J put me on. Jaden. E. Next. And like I said, y'all could do that with them up, with them down, you know, however you want to do it. After that, I got a different way that I do it. So you get it right, and then you put it in like a messy, you just pull it through once, then you turn it to the front, split it in half, and now you're rasta. You mess with it till you like it. It's real big, real simple, real cute. You know, mess with it until you like the way it looks. You get your little accents, put them right back in there. Oh, I'm sorry. Put them right back in there. Just really a style. This one's my favorite too. I love it. And you know, you can do it without the two in the front as well. I like to have these two out. Boom. This is another one. We just going, y'all. So the next half up, half down style, and I'm gonna keep my little two out because that's how I wear it, or little space buns at the top. And what you want to do is just twist it and wrap. Twist it and wrap. And get you a scrunchie, put it over, voila. Do it the other side. You try to make them even. Mess with it until you like it, and you want to twist them in opposite directions. I don't know if I did that, but you want to. Get you the hair tie, mess with them till they look even to you. Get you a little accent, baby. Little accent, baby. Boom, I'm teaching y'all the trendy styles that y'all see people wearing. Y'all be like, dang, how she do that? this is how, baby. Real cute, real simple, giving you very much Mickey Mouse. Bomb Mickey Mouse. A Mickey Mouse. Ho ho. Anyway, okay, so I just took it out the buns and now I got this. This remind me of Spy Kids when that girl hair was swing. So yeah, this is real cute, and y'all know I like to have my little 2 out, but if you don't want your 2 out, you know, just put it away. So what's next? Okay, so then you just got the push it back look, you know, you just push it back. They're not going to the side or nothing, you're just pushing them backwards. I really like this style. Like, even though I don't have a full head on me, I think it's so cute. And these twists is old, so if y'all see hair sticking out, they about to come out, that's why. Anyway, so next we have the all up. So what I do, since I don't have a headband right now, I'll get like a scarf that's like long like this and skinny, and tie it in back. Girl, I knot it up, and it gives volume. If you don't want to do it like that, you could just use a regular string, hair tie, a headband. You don't know what I'm gonna do. You already know what's gonna go down. You already know. Okay, so that's another one. So from here, gather them, twist however loose or as tight as you want it, and wrap it to a scrunch and force that scrunchie. You gotta force the scrunchie over. And for this hairstyle, I like to use 2. I'm gonna go back in and give me another scrunchie, and yeah, you see the scarf sticking out. Like, you can have the scarf sticking out, you can hide it, it's up to you. Well, now we got the bun. Now we have the bun. Baby, extra with the bun. I really move my head. So next, we got a few little styles with scarf. Before I finish, y'all know what I'm gonna do. Pull it out, bring them out, bring them out, bring them out. I love this style so much, y'all. Okay, you just tie it in the back, and baby, you're good to go. It's giving you height. I'm really giving y'all the hairstyles right now. I'm giving you all the secrets, the deets. Okay, so yeah, y'all, that was the last hairstyle. I'm gonna end it right here. Let me know if you guys want me to do another video like this, because I have plenty of hairstyles to do. Like, I know them all, baby. So if you guys want another video just like this, let me know down in the comments below. Make sure to get this video to at least 100 likes, and I will do another video just like this one. But I want to thank you guys for watching today and spending time here with me at Babyjaysss, and I hope to see you guys next time. Love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because it helps your girl out, so I help your girl out. See you guys next time.